Resolving the West Philippine Sea conflict involving territorial disputes primarily between the Philippines and China is complex and requires a multifaceted approach. Here are some potential strategies. 1. Diplomatic engagement. Engage in continuous and transparent diplomatic dialogues with China and other claimants. Utilize international forums and institutions like ASEAN and the United Nations to foster dialogue and cooperation. 2. International law. Uphold and advocate for the rules-based international order, particularly the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea UNCLOS. Emphasize the 2016 ruling by the Permanent Court of Arbitration, which invalidated China's extensive claims in the South China Sea. 3. Multilateral cooperation. Strengthen alliances with countries affected by or interested in the South China Sea, such as Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, and Indonesia. Engage with global powers like the United States, Japan, Australia, and the European Union for diplomatic and possibly military support. For economic measures, explore joint development agreements for resource sharing, ensuring that such arrangements do not undermine sovereignty claims. Enhance economic ties and trade relations with neighboring countries and global powers to reduce dependency on China. 5. Strengthening defense. Invest in modernizing the military, particularly the Navy and Coast Guard, to protect maritime interests. Conduct joint military exercises and enhance security cooperation with allies. 6. Public and international advocacy. Raise awareness and garner international support through media campaigns and diplomatic missions. Highlight the environmental impact of China's activities in the West Philippine Sea to garner global environmental support. 7. Confidence-building measures. Establish hotlines and communication channels to manage and escalate incidents at sea. Promote people-to-people exchanges and cooperation in non-controversial areas such as environmental protection and scientific research. 8. Domestic unity. Ensure a unified national stance on the issue, reducing internal political divisions that could weaken the country's negotiating position. Educate and involve the public in understanding the importance of the West Philippine Sea. Combining these strategies can help create a comprehensive approach to addressing the conflict, balancing assertiveness with diplomacy and cooperation.